When salvation is not fastened firmly around your mind, the enemy will try to slice away the blessings Jesus purchased for you: healing, deliverance, preservation, peace, and soundness. His goal is to leave you with a theology stripped down to just going to heaven, while robbing you of everything meant for your life now. Many believers attempt to serve Yahweh without grounding themselves in the full revelation of salvation, and they suffer needless spiritual wounds. By leaving their minds uncovered, they become vulnerable to deception, discouragement, and confusion. To face the adversary without your helmet is spiritual recklessness. You cannot be effective in the kingdom of Yahweh without protecting your mind with the truth of your salvation.